Hello there, good morning, good evening, good afternoon. My name is Gerald Gabriel. Today I'm here to talk about worldwide Windows crash that happened Friday, July the 19th, 2024. So it was a blue screen to death. Everybody was blaming Microsoft and everything else. But today we got the scoop. I know exactly what happened. I'm gonna go over it in detail so you know it for yourself. All right? Microsoft did not get hacked. It happens to be a human error. The crash was a blue screen to death. Okay, anybody who owns a Windows PC will run into this type of error every now and then. Okay, as you all know, Microsoft owns Windows 11, Windows 10, and all that good stuff. Microsoft owns a lot of programs, especially some of those programs or apps that had to do with the crash. All right, so like I said, it was not really Microsoft, and Microsoft did not get hacked. Okay, Microsoft was part of it. But the main culprit it's a company called CrowdStrike. Let's look them up and see what they're all about and what they do exactly, okay? This company is a cybersecurity firm. They are responsible to provide cybersecurity services and to prevent cyber attack to major companies like the airline, the government, and all kind of entities, okay? These worldwide companies were affected by the crash and by the error that happened last Friday, okay? Somebody at CrowdStrike pushed some kind of update early Friday morning, and make this crash happen. Unfortunately, the update did not go well, and of course it's a human error. I guess they learned a lesson not to push update during the workday, during the business days. They should try to run the updates like on a weekend, like Saturday or Sunday. I would say Saturday, because Sunday gonna be Monday morning. That's where we get back to work and everything. They learn a lesson. I'm sure they learn a lesson not to push update on a weekday, on a business day. Try to put it up for Friday, for Saturday or Friday night, and stuff like that. And this is CrowdStrike, okay? That's them right there. That's the website, and this is all the things they do. I mean, they even into AI nowadays, Okay, this is all the services that they provide: cloud security, the into data protection, the IT automation. It's a big company. That's why a lot of worldwide major companies are using their services. All right. This is the CEO, and this is when did he put this message? Friday. Actually, he put up this message saying that they are continue working on this problem, try to resolve and everything else. Here's the first message that comes up, and the error message with the crash and everything else. Okay. Letting people know that there was something happened in Windows. Windows did not load correctly. That press advance to recovery and everything else. And they also come up with a different type of message. This is the second message, okay? Either it will come up like this. Actually, some people get both of them together. Some people will get this message, will get the first one that I showed you about recovery process, and then it'll come to that. And or this message will automatically pop up. Basically what that is telling you Windows cannot load properly. There was a problem that Windows need to be restarted. Now, people in IT, myself, I have a little workaround for this, okay? So yeah, so this is the message, this is the error message, this is the crash, okay? And I've already showed you the first one, and either the first one will come up, which is the recovery error, or this one will come up. But I believe the recovery error comes up first, okay? And then this one will pop up, okay? So yeah, that was the crash, that was the message, okay? Yeah, that was it. And I think it was a good idea for me to bring up this message since I'm into IT and I'm also into crypto. But IT is my main expertise, okay? And this is it. And like I said, the crash happened on Friday morning, and everybody was freaking out, was panic. What's gonna happen is hopefully guys like myself on Monday, which is tomorrow, so we won't be like packed, we won't be having so much work to do. I think I'm gonna have a busy week coming up, you know, stuff like that. Hopefully, like I said, CrowdStrike able to solve this problem so this crash will go away. Let's see. I mean, this is it, and you know, hope you have a good day. Hopefully this helped a little for people who did not know and know what happened. A lot of people think it was a hack. It was not. Human error. It's some kind of push that happened early in the morning, Friday morning, and the update did not go well. Okay? Yeah, that's it. And please subscribe and like, share with your friend, your Facebook friend, and everything else. Have a good day, and bye-bye. Yeah.